Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. And today I'm going to give you a summertime craft that really makes a statement, fashion and otherwise. That's right, we're going to take an ordinary pair of sunglasses and turn them into these word up sunglasses where you can make them say whatever you want to say. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need sunglasses, very thin wire, letter beads like the type you see in a baby's bracelet, needle nose pliers, stick-on jewels, tiny charms, pearls or beads, and hot glue gun. So the first thing you're going to do is you would figure out what you want your glasses to say. And mine are going to say, I love summer. So I've got all my little letters here. And you're going to take your wire, and you only need a small bit of it, about like 4 inches. Cut a little piece of that. Now, the weird thing about wire is the way that the gauge is. This is going to be a higher number. You would think that they would start at 1 being the thinnest and work up, but it's backwards. It's the thicker you go, the lower the number. So you want a high number of gauge wire here. So I'm going to fold over the edge here with my needle nose pliers just to make a little circle there. See that at the end? And then I'm going to put my statement on here, which is I love. So I've got I, and then I'm going to put a little heart. The reason you need thin wire here is because these baby beads, which I love these bracelet beads, these little baby bracelet beads, they're so tiny. The hole is really, really tiny, so you need thin wire. Cut off the extra. Take your needle nose and once again roll that over so that it locks your beads in place so that they're all lined up like that. Now you can take your hot glue here and we're going to glue the first statement right here on the rim. So I'm just going to lay a bead of hot glue right along the top here. And then I'm going to take my first statement here and I'm just going to place it right along the top there. Just make sure your letters are going in the right direction. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the second part of my statement. In this case, it's summer. There we go. So there's the base of my statement, which is I love summer. And now I'm going to decorate. So I have these really beautiful jewels and beads and things that I just love, these little pearls. I'm going to add a little bit of bling right in the center here with 2 turquoise jewels. 1 and 2. And see, that's going to cover up that little bit of wire, so you're not even going to see it. And in the middle, then, I think I'm going to put this cute little bow that I have. So I found this little collection of cute little charms. And they're just little plastic charms. But it had flip-flops, which is one of the reasons I thought it would be fun to do I Love Summer. But as you can see, that charm has like a little loop there where you would put it on your bracelet or your necklace. So I'm just going to cut that off with my scissors because it's really, really thin, easy to cut off. And luckily they have them going in the opposite direction, so you actually get like a little pair there. So I've got my little pair of flip-flops, and then I've got some cute little seashells. But I'm going to put some bubbly beads on the sides first. So what I'm going to do is give myself a hefty amount of glue on the corner here. And then I'm just going to use these fabulous beads to start making bubbles on the side. And then I'm going to put my little flip-flops right up top here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side here. And again, you notice that this is covering up any of those little wires. And then on this side, I'm going to do a little seashell combo. Got a little orange seashell, got a little starfish, and a little seahorse. There we go. And then to finish it all off, I'm going to add some of these fabulous stick-on jewels. Now, I love these jewels. These I get at the Dollar Tree, but you know, you just never know what you're going to get at the Dollar Tree. But you can certainly get these online. But why I like these is because they have sticker on them, on the backs of them. And they come in a strip. So you can just go right on around the outside. And it just does it really quick and really easy. Now, of course, remember, use whatever you've got on hand. I mean, if you've got feathers, you could use feathers. If you've got little Sculpey clay figurines and things, you could use Sculpey clay or little tiny toys, whatever you want. I mean, these are your sunglasses. There you go. Peel off all of that spiderwebby material, which is the hot glue stuff there. And there you got your sunglasses. And there you are, your own fashion statement sunglasses. Now you are ready for the summer. For more great ideas like this, check us out at Sophie-World.com. And if you like us, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And so you don't miss a single summertime craft, make sure you subscribe. For more fun stuff, check us out at Sophie-World.com.